Hello, and welcome to another tutorial. Today I will show you how to build this OP AFK gold farm in Build a Boat for Treasure. This is JESSETC'S #1 AFK farm, and I am going to show you how to build it step by step. Here are all the things you need. Pause the video if needed. Let's break this build down into 4 parts. I have included timestamps in the video for each part. First part is the spawn capture. Let's get started. Place a delay block. Place a legacy wheel at the edge of the plot. Place a block on top of it, right in the middle. Scale that block by 98 studs. Place another wheel on top of the block. Place another block and scale it by 10 studs. Place another block below it and scale it by 4 studs down. Place a portal and paint it white. Set the first wheel to orange wheel torque and 30 wheel speed. Set the second wheel to green wheel torque and 5 wheel speed. Select all and turn collision off. Second part is the wheels and portals part. Place a delay block. Place a wheel and move it up by 7 studs. Clone the wheel by 5.2 studs and move it down by 1 stud. Repeat this 3 more times. Mirror the wheels so they are facing each other, and move them so they are separated by 1 stud. Connect the wheels like this. Clone it to connect the rest of the wheels. And then clone it to the other side as well. You should have something that looks like this. Place a block on the first wheel and make it skinny and scale it up 7 studs. Clone it to the other side. Now add the portal, center it, and move it to the front like this. Make sure to connect the blocks to the portal. Go to the other side and add a block to the end of the wheel and make it skinny. Clone it to the other side. Add a portal and center it. Connect all of the wheels to the delay block. Place another delay block. Now add a glue block in between the wheel and the wheel block. Move each glue block 0.1 studs into the wheel block. Set all of the wheel's speed to 4. We are done with the second part. Moving on to the third part, the pistons. Go to the edge of the plot next to the water. Place a delay block. Then place a block close to the edge and scale it up 5 studs. Place a piston on the block facing away from the water. Then delete the block. Now manually place 324 pistons. You have to place them manually because it is the only way to connect them to the delay block. Now from this end count to 204 pistons. Paint the 204th piston black. From the black piston count, 68 more pistons. Paint the 68th piston black. Clone all of the pistons 2 times. Paint the cloned pistons a different color. From the beginning of the last row, count 176 pistons. Color the 176th piston black. Now we need to connect the rows of pistons. Go to the end of the rows and place a block. Scale it down so it is 0.1 thick while touching the piston. Add another block, scale it to a 0.1 dot, and connect it to the block touching the piston. Scale it across the entire row and make sure it is not touching the pistons or anything else. Once on the other side, place a block and make it 0.1 stud skinny while touching the piston. Connect the rod to the block. Now, clone this to the other row of pistons. Now connect the beginning of the first row to the wall. And make sure the cloned parts aren't touching. We have to connect the portals to the black pistons. Clone the entire portal system and move it next to the black piston. Connect it using 2 blocks like this. repeat this for the other black pistons. Now color code all of the portals like this. Move your whole farm up by 30 studs. Make sure you reconnect it to the wall. Moving on the last part, the chest grabber. Go to the end of the last row of pistons. Place a delay block. Delete the last 3 pistons. Place a block connected to the pistons. Now manually place 60 pistons stacked up and facing up. Unanchor all of the 60 pistons. Place a temporary lever and connect it to the delay block. Flick the lever. Go to the edge of the plot and place a block. Scale it to 72 blocks. Place another block connecting it and delete the long block. Scale the block 3 studs wide. Next to it, place another block and scale 5 studs wide. Clone them and connect them. Scale all of the blocks 728 studs up. Go up. Place a block on the top piston and connect it to your tunnel. Go back down. Place a portal with collisions off. Move it to the middle of your tunnel. Then move it 700 studs up. Then make sure your tunnel isn't connected to the ground. We are almost done. Place a lever and connect it to the delay block of the first row of pistons. Connect that delay block to the second one, then the second to the third, and then the third to the fourth one. add an extra delay block and connect the fourth delay block to that one. Place a light bulb and connect the new delay block to it. Place another lever and connect it to both delay blocks responsible for all of the wheels and glue blocks. Then change the delay time of the delay block for the wheels to 2 seconds. Make sure you set all of your not extended pistons to 10 length and speed. One last thing that I forgot. Make sure to set all of your wheels to reverse spin. We are done building. To set up the farm, all you have to do is flick the first lever. When the light bulb lights up, unanchor everything. Now, flick the second lever. Enjoy your farm. That is all I have for you. If you enjoyed, please like, and if you want more, then please subscribe.